camo slash leggings. The slash leggings have become so popular and everyone wants them because they're just so awesome. So now we have a print, and we have it in black in the past and red, my favorite color. And now we have this awesome camo design. The fit is gonna be exactly the same. I'm wearing size 2 and I can totally go with size 0. Most of us like to look size down with the locks. It's personal preference too. Sometimes I like to have just the feel of not so much compression and just softness. So whatever you usually do with the locks that you did with the black and with the red ones, do the same with this and it's gonna be exactly the same. So I feel like these ones are not as high-waisted as other ones. I still consider it high-waisted, but you can see this shows my belly button a tiny bit, but they're still pretty high. So it's gonna be like a between mid and high rise. And of course the awesome detail. They are sublimated, but they're sublimated in color as well. So the gray color, the lighter color is what is gonna look in the inside. I can show you right there. So that's what it's gonna look like. So it's gonna keep the true color, awesome, no pockets, 7/8 length, true to size or size down. If you want more compression or whatever you do in the locks before, do the same, and they're gonna be perfect. These leggings are gonna go fast, so you better get them super quick.